What's going on, you guys? Welcome to the Pinnacle, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your MacBook Pro. So in order to do so, press Command Shift at the same time and hit 3. Okay, press 3. So I have Command and Shift pressed, and I'm going to hit 3. See what happens. There's going to be a noise coming. See? So there you go. This is our screenshot here. Screenshot 2018. What time? It also gives you the time. So it's 17 today. Oh yeah, today's St. Patrick's Day. 12:12 p.m. and this is 9 seconds. Okay, so you leave it there and you can rename it. But open it up. See, that's the screenshot. So that's gonna. Well, I mean, when you press Command Shift 3, it's gonna take the screenshot of the entire screen. Okay, but you can do something else. You can press Command Shift and 4 to enable something. It will only take one portion. I mean, you can choose. You can move your cursor here, the trackpad. Move your cursor, and there you go. You can just take this portion of the. You can just screenshot this portion off the screen. Okay, that's the best way to put it. So let go. So right now I'm pressing the trackpad here. Right now just let go. Bam. See, there's another one here. Let's open it up. So it only took that portion, that's the boundary of the screenshot here. So yeah, that's as simple as that. It can help you with a lot of things in YouTube and stuff like that. Right now I have YouTube open, Despacito here. So I just want to take a screenshot of this part here, just this part with Ed Sheeran. These three on my screenshot, like the Enrique Iglesias, the Mix, and Ed Sheeran. I just want these and this part as well. So how are you gonna do that? Command Shift 4 and start, because I want to start from there. Click and move, and there you go. I just want this part only. I don't want anything underneath. And I'm still holding the trackpad here, but I'm gonna let go, and bam, there you go. So whenever you take a screenshot, it comes directly to your desktop. So as you can see here, I only have this portion here. See, that's the only part I wanted, and I got it. So that's the way. Command Shift 4 gives you option, like, so you can only take a screenshot of a certain portion. But if you want to take the screenshot of the entire screen here from top to bottom, just do Command Shift 3. Just press Command Shift 3. Bam. Where are they? They're right down here. See, the entire screen is here. Simple as that. Command Shift 3, entire screen. Okay. Command Shift 4, just selected part of the screen. That's the best way to put it, right? You press Command Shift 4 here now, and you can select a certain portion of the screen, right? Here, say you just want this part. Yeah, just this one. Bam. Where are they? Right here. See, just this part. Let's make it big. See, it's a little too big. But yeah, that's it. So you can select a certain part of the screen with Command Shift 4, but Command Shift 3 gives you the entire screen. So that's that. Any question, comment, concern, let me know. And I thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.